How to use auto beat feature in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use auto beat feature in your CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up a project in CapCut. After you open up a project, you'll need to import an audio. So head over to audio section here, and then you can import an audio from yourself, or you can use whichever is available here. So I'll just use whatever is available right here. So simply download one, and after you download one, you can actually just drag it and drop it right here. So after it downloads, what you can then do is you can simply just head over to this option that says add marker with AI or flag. It can be whatever. So tap on it, and there you will see beat 1 and beat 2. So simply select beat 1. If you select beat 1, it might take some time, but it will start adding markers right here. So simply select beat 1 and it will give you the major beats. Now, if that's not working, okay, so this is a pro version, so let's not use this. I'll just use this one right here. So select the audio and select this beat option. And if you use beat 1, it will show you the marker where the major beats are. So if you play the video here or your audio here, you'll notice that at this marker point right here, there is a major beat. Now, similarly, if you select beat 2, you will get all the beats, including minor beats as well. So let's just use beat 1 right here. And now what you can do here is you can add different photos, you can add different medias, which changes with the beat. So you can place anything right here. So let me just add different photos or something here. So let's just add random stuff here, whatever works. Just add stuff like this. This is just for example. So yeah, let's just start adding different stuff. There we go. And what we're gonna do here is we'll just adjust this right to the beat. So you can change it to beat like this. And when the beat comes, when the beat changes or when the beat hits, the video or whatever image is here will change. To make it even more fun, you can even add effects to here between transitions. So yeah, and that's basically how you use the beats on CapCut. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.